Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily switch back to Yahoo Mail Classic View. So first, just make sure to log into your Yahoo Mail account. So we're done logging into our account, and as you can see, we are redirected to the new Yahoo Mail and we want to switch to Classic View. So in order to do that, in the Yahoo Mail page, just look for this three dot icon. Just click on it. Then click on Settings. So in the Settings page, you can easily see the switch to all Yahoo Mail option. Just click on it. So as you can see, we have successfully switched to the classic view of Yahoo Mail, and you can always easily switch to the standard version of Yahoo Mail whenever you like. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily switch to the classic view of Yahoo Mail. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!